Industry experts point to fraud and frivolous lawsuits as factors behind a failing property insurance market in Florida. This week, we continue our series about the crisis in the state ahead of the insurance special session starting on May 23. The Insurance Information Institute is a national nonprofit that points to fraudulent roofing claims and runaway litigation as flaws in Florida's insurance system.
We assess the Florida homeowners insurance market is the most volatile in the U.S., and unfortunately, it's on a track towards collapse.
It starts with a knock on the door from a seemingly helpful roofer.
They claim there has been recent storm activity in your area. There's hail damage or wind damage on your roof. We're working with your neighbors. Let us take a look at your roof. We won't charge to go up there and look. If we find damage, we'll handle everything with your insurance.
Many homeowners sign over their insurance benefits to the roofer or other contractor.
When you assign it, you are literally giving your claim, your rights to whatever proceeds that insurance claim might provide to you and your family. You're giving it to maybe somebody you just met 5 minutes ago who is a licensed Florida contractor.
The rules on roofing claims make it easier to go after an insurance company. In Florida, the company has to replace the whole roof if it is 25% damaged. Experts say in most states that number is 50%.
Sure, a roof that's 15 to 20 years old is going to have some wear and tear. That's logical. Doesn't mean the roof is necessarily bad, but these roofers are taking advantage of these situations. And unfortunately, they're scamming homeowners by the thousands.
When insurance companies balk, lawyers then go to court. Florida has more property insurance lawsuits than all other states combined.
Unfortunately, there are some entities or parties out there that are gaming the system and causing litigation to just kind of run wild.
It isn't just one here, one there. It's all over the place. And these insurance companies, they don't just write in Florida. They write in Florida and Georgia and Alabama and Louisiana. And what you don't see is the lot of litigation in those other states that you see in Florida, although they have the exact same claim handling practices. Why? Because many of these claims are being manufactured. What's going on in Florida today is essentially our neighbors are getting a brand new roof, and you and I get to pay for it at higher property insurance prices.
In 2021, a bill was passed to in part address that roofing fraud by limiting solicitation of homeowners. However, it was thrown out in federal court, citing the free speech rights of roofers.
Since that happened, those unscrupulous actors have almost doubled down. I mean, I see more of them out in the community now soliciting roof claims than even before.
One South Florida law firm has already filed 1,200 insurance lawsuits this year. The Insurance Information Institute points to a 2017 Florida Supreme Court decision that multiplies how much insurance companies have to pay out when they lose in court. The other side does not have to pay extra when an insurance company wins.
We're seeing 40,000, 50,000 claim cases settle for $700,000 or more, and the attorney's walking away with all that money. The homeowner only gets that 40 or 50,000, whatever they sued for. They don't get this extra money.
Meanwhile, lawsuit payouts have pushed some insurance companies to go under, while others are leaving Florida.
We have moved away from insurance and its actuarial science because there's no actuaries that can figure out how these claims are being manufactured and try to build that into a model. That's not something you can model.
That's why you don't hear about these major litigation issues in other states, because they have much tighter laws.